Hello everyone and welcome. If you've ever felt like your money controls you rather than the other way around, you're not alone. Today I'm going to reveal some powerful secrets that can turn the tables and put you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. Imagine this. What if I told you that by adjusting how you manage your money today, you can not only secure your future, but possibly retire earlier than you ever thought possible? Yeah, it's achievable, and I'm here to show you how. From the magical 75-10-15 rule that simplifies money management to start investment strategies that amplify your savings. We're diving deep into techniques that the wealthy have been using for decades. Whether you're making $30,000 a year or $300,000, these strategies are tailored to help you grow your wealth effectively. Stay with me till the end because I'm not just sharing knowledge, I'm also providing tools, ensuring you maximize every dollar you earn. This isn't just about saving money, it's about transforming your financial mindset and unlocking a life of abundance. Ready to take control? Like this video and subscribe, and let's get started. Today I'm excited to share a straightforward plan called the 75-10-15. It's an amazing method to grow your wealth, no matter your income. Whether you make $10,000 or $1 million yearly, this strategy applies. Here's how it goes. Spend cleverly. Earn $1, spend 75 cents or less. Focus your spending on essentials like housing, meals, and even trips. Spending under 75% of your income, even better. This encourages you to seek more affordable options. Think about it. Do you need premium fuel, or is regular fine? High-end snacks, or standard ones? Should you shop at luxury stores or choose more economical ones? Observe the prosperous. When I started my business, I met many entrepreneurs. They all shared one trait: frugality. For instance, after a meeting, we'd dine out. Everyone chose the least expensive meals and drinks. When it came time to settle the bill, despite their wealth, they paid only their share to the cent. Prioritize value. You may have heard advice like, skip the coffee to save money. I see it differently. Before a purchase, consider its true value to you. If a $5 coffee really boosts your mood, productivity, and relaxation, isn't it worth more than $5? Focus on major expenses instead. A new car or a big TV may bring brief joy, but it fades. What matters is what genuinely enhances your life. Build your safety net. If you spend less than 75% of your earnings, let's say 60%, keep that extra 15%. I'll explain how to use it soon. Now, for the 10 in the 75-10-15 rule. Save at least 10 cents from every dollar for what I call a cushion fund. Recent research showed that over half of Americans would struggle with an unexpected $1,000 expense. Think of your cushion fund as an emergency wallet. It's not for leisure, like nights out or impulsive treats, but for real emergencies, like home repairs after a flood or unexpected travel needs. Here's a personal story. Some years back, I had a bad car crash. The front of my car was destroyed. I was far from home, and the repair cost was $15,000. I thought about taking out a loan, but high interest rates deterred me. Fortunately, my cushion fund covered the repairs, so I didn't need to borrow money. Calculating your savings goal is simple. Start a spreadsheet, list your monthly expenses, rent, utilities, and yes, even the occasional treat like pineapple pizza. Multiply your monthly expenses by 5. For instance, if you spend $1,500 a month, save up to $10,000. This prepares you for nearly any situation. Where to keep your savings? While many choose standard savings accounts at popular banks like Chase or Bank of America, there's a better option. High-yield savings accounts, HYSA. These accounts provide much higher interest rates, allowing your savings to increase more quickly. For example, a standard savings account with an interest rate of 0.5% APY on $10,000 will only net you about $57 in a year, totaling $10,057. However, a high-yield account at 4% APY can grow your $10,000 by $400, giving you $10,400 by the end of the year. It's vital to know when to halt your saving effort. After you've saved enough to cover 5 months of expenses, stop. Keep that 10% you were setting aside. We're going to put it to even better use. Invest for the future. Now let's dive into the 15 in our 75-10-15 rule. you should be investing at least 15% of every dollar you earn. This step is critical for future preparation. There are specific types of accounts that are excellent for lowering taxes on your investments. The objective here is to put your money to work and start building substantial wealth through assets. We often hear that income comes from hard work at a job. That's the main focus in schools, securing a job that pays well. However, the wealthiest individuals do not rely solely on job income, they build assets. Learn from the wealthy, assets over income. Reading Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki was a revelation. You can have a high-paying job and still be broke, but if you own assets, you could spend all you have today and still be wealthy the next month. Unfortunately, many of us aren't taught this crucial lesson in school or at home. I had to learn it myself by reading books like Psychology of Money and The Intelligent Investor. Understanding the power of assets truly changes the game. Without this knowledge, achieving real wealth might seem impossible. Smart tax investing. Begin with these accounts. There are two types of investment accounts with significant tax advantages to start with. 1. Roth IRA, a tax-free growth option. A Roth IRA is a unique retirement account where your money grows tax-free. This means when you retire and withdraw your money, you don't pay taxes on it. For instance, Peter Thiel expanded his Roth IRA to €5 billion and he won't face taxes upon withdrawal. However, contributions to a Roth IRA must come from income that has already been taxed, such as your paycheck earnings. There's also a contribution limit, $7,000 per year if you're under 50 and $8,000 if you're over 50. Setting up a Roth IRA is simple. Step 1, you need income from employment or your own business. Step 2, visit a financial platform like Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Step 3, select the option to open a Roth IRA account. Maximizing your Roth IRA. Once your Roth IRA is ready, transfer money from your bank to this new account. Crucially, you must then invest this money. It's a common error to deposit funds into the account and forget to invest them, which is why some find their account hasn't grown after many years. I'll suggest some straightforward investment choices soon that you can set up and then not have to worry about. 2. Understanding the 401k, a powerful investment tool. The 401k, often provided by employers, allows you to save using pre-tax dollars. You don't pay taxes now, but you will upon retirement, potentially at a lower rate. Contributing to a 401k is straightforward. Set up contributions through your paycheck. Decide what portion of your salary to save. The contribution limit for 2024 is $23,000 per year. Benefit from employer matching. Many employers match your contributions, essentially providing free money for your retirement. For example, a typical match might be 100% of the first 3% you contribute and 50% of the next 2%. If you earn $65,000 and contribute 5%, that's $3,250 from you. Your employer would add another $2,600, totaling $5,850 in your 401k for the year. Taking full advantage of employer matching can significantly enhance your retirement savings. It's like getting a pay raise just for saving money. These strategies are essential for building a strong financial foundation and ensuring you have a prosperous future. Investing smartly. Unleashing the power of compounding. Now that you've established your retirement accounts, it's time to focus on your investment choices. Here's an inspiring fact to consider. If you invest just $100 every month for 50 years at a 10% annual return, you'll have put in $60,000, but could end up with around $1.4 million due to the power of compounding in the stock market. Choosing the right investments. For most of us, an index fund or ETF, exchange-traded fund, is all that's needed. These funds allow you to invest in a broad range of stocks simultaneously, which reduces your risk compared to investing in single stocks. Essentially, you can invest your money and then not worry too much about it. For example, purchasing shares in an S&P 500 index fund means you have a small part of each company within the index, representing the top 500 companies in the US. This method is not only safer but also more cost-effective than buying shares in individual companies. Index funds are particularly well suited for retirement accounts. They have historically returned about 8% annually on average. While returns can vary from year to year, your investment is likely to grow over time. I personally recommend passively managed index funds like FXAIX or VOO because they're straightforward and hassle-free. If these aren't available in your 401k, seek out another broad market US index fund. There are many options available, ensuring you can find one that fits your investment strategy. Even if you sometimes feel uncertain about your financial actions, just remember that learning and applying these investment strategies is a significant progress. With these strategies in hand, you're well on your way to building a robust financial future, maximizing your savings and ensuring a comfortable retirement. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is personal and unique for everyone. Let me share a quick story about how small, consistent investments changed my life. A few years ago, I started with just a small amount each month. It seemed insignificant at the time, but those small contributions grew beyond my expectations. Thanks to the principles we've discussed today, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the peace of mind and security that comes with knowing you're prepared for the future. I'd love to hear from you now. What are your financial goals? And what steps are you taking to achieve them? You can share your thoughts in the comments below or send me a message. Let's support each other in building a financially secure future. To continue enhancing your financial knowledge, I recommend subscribing to financial newsletters, podcasts, and following financial news outlets. Staying informed will help you make better investment choices and keep you motivated. Remember that every small step you take builds towards your larger financial goals. It's never too late to start, and it's always possible to improve your financial health. Keep pushing forward, stay committed, and watch your efforts compound into substantial growth. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more content like this. Catch you in the next video. Here's to your investing success. Profitable investing.